Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to install Kali Linux inside VirtualBox from start to finish. Whether you're completely new to ethical hacking or you're setting up a fresh virtual machine for a course or lab environment, this guide will walk you through every step. By the end of this video, you'll have a full working Kali Linux virtual machine that's ready for ethical hacking, penetration testing, and cybersecurity labs. Let's get started with the installation. Go to www.kali.org, click download, installer images, and choose the 64-bit version. You can download via HTTP direct download, or you can download through a torrent, requires BitTorrent. The file will be an ISO image. Instead of installing Kali directly on your system, we use a virtual machine. This allows you to run Kali inside Windows or Mac OS. It keeps your main system safe, and you can practice without breaking anything. Next, we'll go to www.virtualbox.org. Get started with download, and to your left you have the VirtualBox platform packages. Choose your most preferred one. Here I'm choosing Windows hosts. And grab the VirtualBox extension pack. Click accept and download. Right, now run the installer. Click next. Accept the terms of the license agreement. And click next. Next. And yes to network disconnection. And click next and install. Run VirtualBox. Right, click new. Type in your VM name, here Kali Linux, OS distribution, Debian, OS version, Debian 64-bit. Right, click specify virtual hardware. Change your base memory here, I'm going to put 8 GB, and number of CPUs 2. Then click virtual hard disk, and I'm going to change this to 50. I recommend changing it above 20 gig. After this is done, I'm just gonna do some additional settings. So click the settings, general, and click features, shared clipboard, bidirectional, drag and drop, bidirectional. And scroll down a little bit, acceleration, and make sure hardware virtualization is ticked. On settings, go to storage, go to controller IDE, click empty, and you can see optical drive. Click this little disk and choose a disk file. This is where you'll choose your Kali Linux ISO and click OK. Go to network and adapter 1, enable network adapter and make sure it's attached to NAT and click OK. Now we are ready to power up the machine. Click start. Right, for the Kali installer setup, click graphical install. Select your language, select your location and configure the keyboard. Now that's going to install. It'll take a few minutes. Alright, so here, enter the host name for your system. I'll just type cybered. Continue. And domain, leave this blank. Full name for the new user. I'll go with cybered. And click continue. Continue again. And enter your password. Right, partition disks. Click guided, use entire disk, and click continue. SCSI 3 and continue. I'm partitioning all files in one partition. And finish partitioning and write changes to disk. Write the changes to disk, click yes, and continue. My software selection, I'm just going to leave mine as default and click continue. Install the grub bootloader. Select yes and click continue. Here click dev SDA. Right, the installation is finished. Kali is just booting in. And there we go. You now have a full working Kali Linux environment. From here, we can start learning Linux basics, using hacking tools, and running real-world labs. Now that Kali is set up, we're ready to start actually using Linux like a hacker. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm CyberEd, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.